All right, day 7, centroids. All right, draw 3 medians. We already have talked about this a little bit. It will be easier if you actually use a ruler to measure, or you can just like erase and adjust. So I'm just going to estimate right here, so I can't really measure on the smartboard, and I may have to adjust. So remember, that's going to the median of each side, from each vertex to the median of each side. Okay, we're going to go with that. Now, notice what happens right there. So what you're going to do is measure all these segments on your paper. I want to make some pretend numbers here. So first off, what we have here, all of them intersect here, if you notice that. All right? So I'm going to give you some pretend numbers. I'm going to say that this is 3 inches, and this is 4 inches, and this is 5 inches. And if you measured, this would be 6, this would be 10, this would be 8. So, if you want to just copy this down instead of measuring your paper, that's what we're going to go with. So, if you notice, the bigger piece of each segment is twice the smaller piece. So, the centroid is that point in the middle, that red dot I put, where they all meet. So P right here in the middle is the centroid. Okay? And one thing I did not mark on the previous page was, since it was going to the medians of each midpoint of each side, that makes all the different sides, match up. So this is equal to that, these two are equal, and those two are equal. So the centroid theorem, if P is the centroid, then the larger part is 2 times the smaller part. And there's another one, we'll go back and look at, the smaller part is the whole thing divided by 3. Well, let's look at that. So let's look at this one right here. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9, and again, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So those are the 2 mathematical magic things that happen when you are dealing with centroids. All right, so in PQR, it says NQ is 6. Let's fill in what we know. NQ is 6. So that's this whole piece right here. That's 6. All right? RK, that's going to be hard to write because, we'll just kind of do this to make note of it. RK is 3, and that's written here. And PK is 4. That's written here. Okay? It says find each length. So, KM. Well, if you look where KM is the short piece of PM. That means it's going to be half of 4, which is 2. KQ, where's that? That's right here. That's the long piece, right, of QN. Now QN is 6. Remember, if we divide by 3, that's going to make this 2. And if we double it, we get 4. All right, what about LK? Well, LK is this short piece of LR. KR is 3, so that means LK is half of that. Whoops, 1.5. Lost my 1.5. All right, LR is the entire piece. So if LK is 1.5 and KR is 3, we add them together and get 4.5. Also remember, LR is 3 times the short piece. So that's another way of getting it. Kn. Kn we have written down as 2. We already figured that out when we figured out KQ. And PM is the entire piece. Now PK is 4. Well, if that's 4, that makes this 2, which makes the entire piece 6. Okay, let's try this. STR, H is a centroid. EH is 6. That's this little piece right here. DH is 4. It's also a small piece. And SM is 24. That's this entire piece right here. So remember, the short piece is 1/3 of that. So that means MH is 24 divided by 3, 8. And if you double that, that's 16 right here. We can just go ahead and fill in numbers. How about we do that? If DH is 4, that makes this 8. And if EH is 6, that makes this 12. Now it's going to be really easy to answer whatever is on the left side. SH, we just said, is 16, the long piece. TH, the long piece for that one, is 8. TD is 8 plus 4, which is 12. HM, we have written down as 8. HR, we have written down as 12. And ER is the entire thing. 12 plus 6 is 18. Or again, EH is 6, and 6 times 3 is 18. Just another way of doing it. And that's it.